Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are at 103 subscribers and this video is just to say thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. And because of that, I am going to do another chicken recipe version 2 because I already did version 1. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on the notification subscribe button down below and hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on any videos that I post. Until for another chicken recipe.
We begin by washing the chicken with clean water. Measure 2 cups of water, then add the washed chicken. Add in some salt and boil it for about 20 minutes. While the chicken is boiling, we are going to prep our ingredients and we are going to need a chopping board for that, 2 medium-sized onions, 1 green hoho and 1 onion. We are going minimal on spices, so we are going to need 2 beef cubes or nor cubes or whichever you like, turmeric spice, black pepper spice, and finally garlic powder spice. I decided to go for the julienne style now that we're making striped chicken, and I'll insert a photo on how I did the 3 ingredients. For the tomatoes, I decided to deseed them, but it's optional. You don't have to remove the seeds if you don't feel like it. Alright, our chicken is ready and we are going to remove it. Remove the bones and separate the flesh as shown. Add turmeric, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, nor cube and mix thoroughly until the ingredients are well mixed. In a hot pan, measure 2 tablespoons of oil, throw in our onions. Once that is done, give it a quick mix until it's translucent enough or to your liking, and when you're satisfied, we are going to add green pepper. Once cooked, add in our tomatoes, give it a quick mix and simmer for like about 3 minutes. Add a mixture of wheat flour and turmeric to the mixture. Remember, this is completely optional. If you have soy sauce, go for it. And then add in our chicken that was spiced. Give it a quick mix and add a little bit of water and simmer for a few minutes.
I hope you're going to try. It has minimal spices, so I want to give it a try to see if everything worked out well. Wow, you should definitely try this recipe. It is mouth-watering, especially if you sprinkle the chili. The chicken is also, the spices, the black pepper and the turmeric has blended in so well, and the crunchiness of the hoho and the greens of the spinach with the softness of the rice just sums it all up. It is delicious. Please make sure you give it a try and let me know. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button Until next time, keep it locked. Bye.